Hello viewers, this is Jagan. You are watching Jagan tutorial. Please do subscribe and share this channel.
Vitamins. This is a topic today. Vitamins are micronutrients. They are required to our body in small quantities. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats are required in great quantities to our body. So they are called as macronutrients. Vitamins are organic compounds because they are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Any chemical compound, if it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, is said to be an organic compound. So all vitamins are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Hence they are called as organic compounds. We obtain these vitamins into our body through two ways. One is food and next one is bacteria. Food, which consists of vitamins, so we obtain vitamins in the form of food, that is one way. And another way is bacteria. Bacteria present in the small intestine synthesize these vitamins and supply to our body. It is a very important topic to learn. Based on the solubility, these vitamins are divided into two types. One type of them are water soluble vitamins and second type of them are fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are B complex and C vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. First, water soluble vitamins, B complex and C vitamin. B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. Next two acids, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin and C vitamin. These all are water soluble vitamins. I repeat it once again. B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin and C vitamin. Next, fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. To remember what are fat soluble vitamins, you can easily use a small trick, that is fat headache. A, D, E, K. You can pronounce this as headache, fat headache. Clear? This is a small trick to remember. Right. B1 is thiamine, B2 is riboflavin, B3 niacin, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cyanocobalamin. Next two acids, one is folic acid and another one is pantothenic acid. Next biotin. Next C vitamin. C vitamin scientific name is ascorbic acid. A vitamin retinol, D vitamin calciferol, A vitamin tocopherol, K vitamin phylloquinone. These are the chemical names or scientific names of all these vitamins. Next, these are deficiency disease names. Thiamine, beriberi disease. If thiamine is deficient in our diet, then it leads to development of a disease called beriberi. Next, riboflavin deficiency disease name is glossitis. Niacin, pellagra. Pyridoxine deficiency disease name is anemia. Cyanocobalamin deficiency disease name is pernicious anemia. Folic acid deficiency disease name is anemia. Pantothenic acid, burning feet. Biotin, nerve disorders. Next, C vitamin ascorbic acid deficiency disease name is scurvy. Retinol, eye and skin diseases. Calciferol, rickets. Tocopherol, fertility disorders. Phylloquinone, delay in clotting of blood or blood clotting related diseases. Here you can easily remember that cyanocobalamin is a long vitamin name. Its deficiency disease name is also long, pernicious anemia. Right? Next, pantothenic acid, pant, feet. It is related, pant and feet are related. Clear? Next, from B1 vitamin to 8th vitamin, biotin. From here to here, 8th vitamin, all vitamins are B complex vitamins. From 1st to 9th one, from 1st to 9th one, all vitamins are water soluble vitamins. 10, 11, 12 and 13, these four are fat soluble vitamins. Clear? B1 vitamin deficiency disease name, first letter is B. Right?